Hi everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a game changer for your home Wi-Fi, connecting your Eero system to a wired mesh backhaul. This simple upgrade can dramatically boost your internet speed and reliability, especially for those Eero nodes further away from your main router. Many people use Eero wirelessly, which works well, but a wired connection between your Eero nodes makes a huge difference. Let's make your Wi-Fi faster and more stable right now. First, let's understand what mesh backhaul is. It's the connection method your Eero nodes use to talk to each other. When you use Eero wirelessly, they communicate over the air. This is called wireless backhaul. When you connect them with an Ethernet cable, they use wired backhaul. Wired is almost always better. Why should you consider wired backhaul? It significantly increases the speed and stability of your network. Your Eero devices can send data to each other much faster over a cable. This frees up your wireless airwaves for your phones, laptops, and other devices. This means less lag, faster downloads, and a smoother experience overall. It's like giving your Eero system its own private, super-fast highway. Before we jump into the steps, let's cover what you'll need. You will need your existing Eero system already set up and working. You will also need good quality Ethernet cables. Make sure they are long enough to reach from your main router or network switch to your satellite Eero nodes. If you have multiple Eero nodes and not enough ports on your main router, you might also need an unmanaged network switch. These are simple devices that expand the number of Ethernet ports you have available. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of connecting your Eero to mesh backhaul. 1. Initial Eero setup. If not already done, make sure your Eero system is already set up and running. All your Eero nodes should be online and showing a solid white light. It's usually best to set them up wirelessly first. This ensures they are properly configured within your Eero network. 2. Identify your gateway Eero. Your gateway Eero is the Eero unit that is directly connected to your modem or your main internet router. This Eero always handles the initial internet connection for your entire Eero network. You will not be connecting this Eero to a wired backhaul in the same way. It's already the primary connection point. 3. Connect satellite Eeros to your network. This is where the magic happens. Take one of your satellite Eero units. These are the Eeros that are not connected to your modem. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into an available LAN port on your main router or into one of the ports on your network switch. Then, plug the other end of that same Ethernet cable into either Ethernet port on your satellite Eero unit. It does not matter which port you use on the satellite Eero. The Eero system is smart. It will automatically detect the wired connection. Give it a moment or two. The Eero app should update, and the light on the Eero unit should remain solid white. Repeat this process for any other satellite Eero units you want to connect via Ethernet. Each satellite Eero should be connected directly to your main router or network switch, not to another satellite Eero. 4. Verify the connection. After connecting your Eero units, open the Eero app on your phone or tablet. Go to the network section or tap on devices. Then, tap on each individual Eero node. Look for a section that says connectivity or connection type. It should now say wired or Ethernet backhaul for the Eero units you just connected. If it still says wireless, try unplugging the Ethernet cable from the Eero unit, waiting about 10 seconds, and then plugging it back in firmly. Sometimes, restarting the Eero node from the app can also help it recognize the new wired connection. A few quick troubleshooting tips. Always use high-quality Ethernet cables. Cat5e or Cat6 cables are recommended. Ensure your network switch, if you're using one, is powered on and working correctly. If an Eero isn't showing a wired connection, try swapping the Ethernet cable or using a different port on your switch or router. Sometimes a full restart of your modem, router, and all Eero units can resolve stubborn connection issues. Remember, the goal is for each satellite Eero to have its own dedicated wired path back to your main network. And that's it. You've now supercharged your Eero mesh system with a wired backhaul. You should notice a significant improvement in your network's performance. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making your smart home even smarter. We'll see you in the next one.